Hey all, my name is László Lever. Welcome to my channel Coaching. Today I would like to show you that how you can create a Java Maven package and how you can share this package with many different applications. Today we will create a package, we will deploy it to the Maven package registry, which will be on GitHub in our case today, and after that we will use this package as a dependency in another project, and we will synchronize it to our project, so our project will download the dependency from GitHub, and we will be able to use the shared function which we will write in the package in our main application. Okay, let's get started.
Okay, so let's get started. The first thing that we would like to do is to create our common package, which means that we will create a Java package, basically which will be served in a package registry. We will use a Maven package registry, and basically I will use the GitHub to distribute my package. So first I'm going to my repositories and I would create a new repository named Coaching External Maven Package. This package, so this repository name will matter at the end because we will use this repository name to access our Maven package later. And I'm creating the repository. Okay, my repository created, so I would clone it. I would clone it to my projects folder. So first I'm going to my projects folder. Sorry, this is my brand new laptop and I don't know the correct path. Okay, here we are. So here are my projects and I'm cloning this repository here. Okay, I got it. So if I go to that folder, here you can see that Coaching External package is here. Okay, the next thing is to open the Spring Initializer. If you open the Spring Initializer, we will generate a new project. The language is Java instead of Gradle Groovy, because this is the default settings. Please select the Maven because our package registry will be in Maven, and also we will use this Maven package handler. So just use the Maven. And the next thing is to tell what will be our group. Our group will be coaching. Maybe it will be better. And common calculator. This will be our package name, so coaching common calculator. This is a shared package. And my Java version is 23 and the packaging is jar. Okay, everything is set up properly. We don't add any dependencies here and just click on generate. Okay, we downloaded a new application here. If I extract it, I'm copying it to my projects folder. So, and I'm copying the content of this to my repository folder. And after that, it's empty now, so I delete it. Okay, so we have the basic files for our application. And let's open our IDE, and I'm opening this new application. So okay, so here we are. Let's install the basic dependencies. Let's push the basic project, and okay, oops, okay, it's pushed. If you check it, so go back to our repository and refresh the page, you can see here that all the files arrive here, and we got this packages section. So we have this packages section to be able to publish our package. So each repository can have multiple registries. For example, Maven registry, or npm registry, and other type of registries, for example, Docker or anything. And we would like to use the Maven registry here. So if you press the Learn button, here you can see that how you can distribute your packages and install your packages from your Maven registry, but we will go through it step by step. Okay, so go back to the repository and open back your project. And the next thing that we would like to do is your POM.xml, remove this build section, because we would like to use this project as a package, not as a regular Spring Boot application. And we are adding a brand new section here named Distribution Management. We are configuring a repository here. The ID would be GitHub. It is important we will configure our repository in our Maven settings XML file, and this ID should be matched with the ID that we will give to the repository there. Basically, I will call it as GitHub. And the URL is https maven.pkg.github.com/stylerhub. This is coming, the owner basically coming from here, so stylerhub. And after that we have the repository. The main thing is the settings XML, and if I open it, in my case, I'm overriding my settings from here. So from my main folder .m2.settings XML to be able to use it. And in that file, if I go there and I'm opening it, you need to configure a servers section. Server, the ID should be the exact same that you used in your POM.xml, your username on GitHub, and you need a password. The password here is not your login authentication password. It should be an access token. How to generate it? Sorry. Go to your GitHub account, press the settings here. You should go under the developer settings and the personal access tokens. I generated the token classic one. You press the generate new token classic, you give a name, and you need to check in the write packages and read packages. It should be enough. After you generated it, you can copy it and you go back to your ID and paste your access token here. And you can save this XML. After that, if you have it, then we can write our source code. Basically, what would we share with the other applications? So I'm going to the src folder Java, and I'm creating a new package here named commons. And I'm creating a new class here named calculator. And we create a public function here. The return value type is long. Let's use calc. And return number 1, sorry, number 2. Okay, we generate a new constructor here. Okay, and basically that's it. The next thing, let's check that we can compile our project. Let's press the install. And after install, you can check that can you find your jar file in the target folder. And after that, if everything is good, so we have this distribution management, we have the correct settings for the server, then we can distribute our package. Press the Maven deploy command. And here you can see it's uploading to GitHub. We had success, it's uploaded. We can check it. So go back to your repository, refresh your page, and you should see a new package here. Here you can see an example how can you use it. So now let's try it out. So let's open another Spring Boot project. I will open a Spring Boot application. So learn Spring Boot, new window, and in this project I would use this package. So I'm opening the POM.xml and I'm copying this dependency usage here, dependency setting. Here you can see that I would like to use this artifact from this package, coaching common calculator with this version. This version number will be different from our different version of the same package. So if I open back my package in the POM.xml, I can coordinate that what is the version number. Usually we set this with some automatism, with pipelines and other things during the package distribution flow. So, but now it is this fixed version that we have in this POM.xml file. And to be able to use this dependency, we need to register our repository here. So first I'm writing here repositories. Under that repository, under that we also would like to use the GitHub, sorry, GitHub, and oops, this is snapshots enabled true to be able to use the snapshot version, and the URL is the same that we configured in our setting. I'm copying it because I don't want to write it from scratch again. So this one. Okay, and Now the dependency could be used. So if I press the clean and install, nice. Okay, now in my currency controller, I'm just trying it out. So in the currency controller, I would use my calculator, which is coming from the coaching common calculator commons. And I'm creating a new logger here. Okay, logger.info, and we're just logging out that result of 4 plus 5 is equal to 4 plus 5, and we can try it out. Okay, the application is started. Now I'm opening the endpoint in my browser where I use this calculator, and in the logs I should see now, as here is result of 4 plus 5 is equal to 9, so it's working. So overall we parsed our common package to our Maven package registry. The package is distributed through GitHub's Maven package registry. We downloaded the dependency from there because we set it in our POM.xml. We imported the package and we were able to use our calculator function here inside the controller. So it was a very, very little example, but that's it.
Okay, thank you very much for watching. That's all for now today. If you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. You will find many interesting tutorials on this channel in the future as well. Please press the like button because it will help me a lot. Thank you very much again. Have a nice day. Bye.